What's going on YouTube, man? It's your boy Titter back with another video, man. And real quick, I just wanted to let y'all know that this video is well anticipated by me personally. I wanted to put this jank out. You feel me? Bad. So without further ado, let's get into it, man. So this video is the fundamentals of Forex, bro. Broken down for y'all beginners. Or not beginners, anybody who even trying to touch up on something. I'm gonna go over all of that in this video here, bro. So if y'all find any value from this video and gain any knowledge or anything, just go ahead and like and subscribe for me, man. And y'all see my Instagram right there. I do post all my trades daily on my Instagram story, so y'all go check that out, man. Feel me? Let's get it though. All right, boom. Once again, I'm gonna give you a presentation overview of what we going over, man. We going over just the intro. We going over how the market moves or what moves the market. We going over how to count pips, how you gonna download your MetaTrader, man. What you need to get started, and what kind of brokers to start with. So let's get straight into it, man. We ain't gonna waste no time. Boom. So what's Forex, man? I highlighted the yellow ones. That's what I'm gonna speak on, and then the rest is just bonus information, real quick. So, foreign exchange is just trading one currency for another. So, for instance, we're gonna be trading GU. We're gonna be trading GJ, which is the Great British Pound versus the dollar, or the Great British Pound versus the Japanese yen. My bad. The market is open 24 hours a day. Now, you want to pick a session to where you trade. You got London session, Asian session, or you got your New York session. That's what I trade pretty much. So I highlighted them. London and New York is what I really pay attention to. They both of them real volatile, man. You gonna find your groove. So let's go next. All right, so what moves the markets, man? You got your bears and you got your bulls. Just to keep things like simplistic, you got your buyers, you got your sellers, man. Your sellers will be bearish, your buyers will be bullish. And these are key terms that you're gonna constantly use throughout the day. I mean, throughout your trading journey and just throughout your trades in general. You're gonna need to know which direction the market is moving anyway. So you're gonna have bearish, which is down once again, and you're gonna have bullish. These are real good concepts to hold on to as you starting out in trading, or if you just needed to touch up once again on a little knowledge. This is what it means, bro. This is what it means. All right, next. Now we're gonna teach y'all. Let me move my camera real quick. All right, we're gonna teach y'all. I said we're gonna teach y'all. I'm gonna show you how to count pips real quick. Now, when it comes to counting pips, it's simple, bro. It's one skill that you need to trade properly. Now, it helps calculate your risk, which is your stop loss, and it helps you set your target, which is your TP. Now, you really want to take the time to learn how your pair move throughout the sessions that you trade in. Now, remember I was talking about them sessions in the last one. In the last slide, you want to see how your pairs move in your session. How many pips they moving, man? What's the numbers? Get the numbers down when you're trading. You constantly want to calculate those, so that you have an understanding of where the market currently is. That ties into knowing the direction of your time. You're gonna notice that you'll start winning more just by being aware of those. So a pip is just the whole unit of price moves. It's a very small percentage of the price, and we trading those daily, man. So you can see right here, it'll show you how to count your pips on a number. This number right here would usually be like on euro pairs, NAS pairs. You can find them, but the decimal point gonna be different. I know GJ is 3 numbers and then a decimal point, which you would calculate those pips different anyways. So this just give you a general idea of how you could count pips, man. You really want to go kind of deep into getting them numbers right, so you can have a better understanding at the end of the day. All right, we can go to the next slide. I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to download MetaTrader, man. This is real simple. It's not hard at all. It take about 5 minutes, man. So you got your MetaTrader 4. Now that's what I currently use, and then you have your MetaTrader 5 as well, which is the updated version, of course. This is available on PC, mobile, and Mac. My bad. And Mac, and you have to connect a broker to this platform, of course. I'm gonna go over the brokers later on in the video, but you connect your brokers to this platform so that you can trade your accounts. Now you can open up a demo account, you can open up a live account with those brokers and all of that. I'm gonna go over that. And once again, you can download these on mobile, you can download these on PC, you can download this on Android, you can download these on your MacBook and all of that, bro. So these two right here is best for the trading platforms. You can connect your broker to them and use them like that. It's very simple to set up. Once you go in there, you can make your own. You can just gonna download this off the App Store. All right. So what you need to really get started now. Why did I put dedication, commitment, and self-awareness on there? For what you need to get started. You need these 3 to get started, man. I can't stress it enough, bro. You need your dedication. You need to commit, fully commit. There's no halving. You need to fully commit, and you also need to build self-awareness, bro, so you can know why you're losing, how you're losing, and things of that nature, bro. So every day you need to keep these things constantly in your mind while you learn how to trade, bro. Keep these 3 in mind: your dedication, your commitment, and your self-awareness, bro. You want to be these at all 3 times. Be these 3 at all times. You're gonna notice once you write it down and you journaling your trades, bro. You're gonna notice that you catching them old habits, you catching them old mistakes, and you're not doing them no more, man. Also, you need a why at the end of the day, bro. And this is the 4th little tip. You need a why. You need some purpose of why you want to trade. You feel me? Okay, we all in it. Everybody's in it to make bread, of course. What fuels you more? Like, are you really trying to teach? Are you really trying to learn this skill so you can help people around you? You know what I'm saying? Like, all of that ties into your why. You're gonna need that when it's rough times and when it's losing weeks, rough periods, any of that. You're gonna have that, bro. This is trading we'll be talking about. So I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. You need your why. That's gonna keep you going, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna keep you going all the way to the other side to where you're making your bread and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go real. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go real deep into dedication, commitment, and self-awareness a little bit more, real quick while we on this slide, real quick. So when it comes to dedication, man, you gotta show up every single day. I mean, I'm talking about show up. You want to be back testing. You want to be forward testing. You want to test what you learn in a live market. You just want to be there. But trading is really a skill I'm talking about. So you really want to be dedicated. If you already have dedication, then you good. You want to go into your commitment now. Now, you want to always stay committed to the reasons. Remember your why. You want to stay committed to your. Matter of fact, you want to commit. Hold on. How I'm trying to phrase this. I personally commit all my time, all my leisure time to learning, all of that. You want to commit your time to it. You want to commit. You gotta sacrifice a lot. You're gonna have to sacrifice going out, man. You're gonna have to sacrifice a lot of stuff that you thought you needed, but you really don't. You feel me? You really don't need that stuff. All of that is old baggage. You're gonna have to commit to this journey and really sit down and take this junk serious, bro, because this really life changing. We really playing with real funds out here, bro. This is real life changing. I've seen it in person. Just people's lives change, bro. I'm telling you. So you want to be 100% committed, and I hope y'all got that. I'm leaving that in the video as well, but I hope you understand what I'm saying, man. You want to be committed, and then you always want to be self-aware as well, bro, because without self-awareness, you won't know where to adapt. You won't know where to continue. You might give up anything. No, sir. You want to be self-aware. You want to always be practicing these 3 things, man. These are the most important things that I could teach, that I've learned to use in my trading career, bro. So we can go to the next drink. I hope that made sense too, bro. I really do. We just gonna go to real quick these brokers real quick. All right, so these are some brokers I started with. Of course, we got here Hugo's Way, and we got Henko Trade. I started off trading with Hugo's Way, and then I moved to Henko Trade. I personally like Henko Trade more because they send you your P&L every single trading day. They're gonna send you your P&L so you can have it locked down, and then you can take it right to your CPA or anybody where you track your numbers at for taxes and all that. Yes, we doing all that too. You want to definitely, they send you that pretty much. So that's why I rock with Henko Trade for real. Hugo's Way, I don't got no real cons to not using them. That's just really who I started out with. But I definitely prefer Henko Trade, man, if I'm going to say anything, because that's what I currently use, bro. So, yes, sir. You're going to use them. Now, you're going to connect these brokers real quick. I'm going to tell you how to connect these brokers to MetaTrader real quick. Once you go to these websites, you can create your account for free. You feel me? Put your email address, your phone number, all of that in there. You're gonna open up an account, right? Now, once you open your account up, you're gonna go to your MetaTrader, and you're gonna go to your MetaTrader and link your account, whether it's a demo account or a live account. You're gonna link those two together, and then after that, you're gonna be set to start trading officially, bro. So, with that being said, choose your brokers, bro. I choose brokers where the leverage is somewhere good. I use leverage 1 to 500. Some people say that's extreme. I know how to I know how to control my impulses, if that makes sense. So, of course, I'm not gonna over leverage and things of that nature, but I start my junk off of 1 to 500 just so I can trade, like place 2 positions at once. I noticed when I was using 1 to 100, I can only place 1 trade. I won't rock it with that. You feel me? So, start your account up with these brokers, man. You can use these two if you want to. This this is just what I personally use. Let's see what else, man. All right, man. So this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed, bro. Once again, thank you for watching. I hope this was somewhat clear to y'all, man. I hope this helped out. If it did, make sure y'all leave a like once again, bro. I personally like doing videos like these, these little slide videos, because I can really break it down to y'all. So if you enjoyed this video, bro, go ahead and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at Big Tuttle, man. I post all my trades live on there, bro. My Discord is in the description as well. If y'all want to hop in there, bro, we do be in there. And with that being said, bro, appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gone, man.